Are you folks, are you ready to rumble? Let the game begin. The last drone standing wins. Oh my God, Team Barbie. Oh, holy cow. I told you this was going to be exciting, folks. Oh, it looks like we're down. We're down to just a few. Oh, and the big black cluster gets caught in the net. Oh, however, we have a mini drone rising from the dead, and it looks like a Bond drone. No, that is from Team East B. Oh, and we see the black sumo quad hovering in the center, waiting for the rest to take each other out. That black monstrosity is tough as nails. Oh, like a hummingbird in a flock of seagulls, the little sumo mini is fighting to its best. I'm afraid what's going to happen to this little bug. Oh, whoa! Oh, we're out there down. Oh, we're down to our last two contestants, unless one of the downed drones can right itself and begin flying again. We have two contestants left. Oh, there we go. Look at that. We're back to three contestants. I'm afraid these big quads are going to gang up on that little hummingbird. Oh! And the black cluster buccaneer. Look at the size of that drone. I am not kidding. Wake up the kids. Get them to the Game of Drones Aerodrome Arena. Holy moly. Oh, into the air. This is incredible, folks. Oh, the sumo quad hits the ground, regains its composure, back in the air. Eli Delia and the sumo quad flying again. It's a total freeze. Oh, the sumo quad is upside down. Wow, folks, I did not see that coming. Oh my gosh, Eli has obviously forgotten about his insurance waiver. He has dashed in inside. I am not sure if that's his legal, folks.
Oh, nice.
All right, we still have a couple of contestants left. Oh my goodness. We got drones in the net. We got drones upside down. We got drones in pieces on the floor. And there are still two flying. This is incredible. Oh, there is three flying. Antonio from Get to the Chopper trying to right his dovetail quad. Will we see him? Oh! Look at that, that is incredible. Oh, into the net. Oh my God, it's the last up. Oh! The Barbie dream drone. You know, you just can't keep that girl down. Oh, well now, oh my gosh. We have not seen this kind of excitement here at the Game of Drones Battle Drone ever. The aerodrome is filled. Oh my gosh.
Chop into pieces!
Yes, indeed. 12 drones enter, 1 drone leaves. cluster is back. What? Wait a minute, folks. I think we have another contestant entering. The amazing Barbie Dream Drone back in the fight. We have another couple of viable contestants trying to right their drones.
Nice! Go, 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 go!
Look at that. The big black cluster trying to take Ted out of the race.
Come on.
Oh my gosh.
Come on, you got it. Come on, Eric.
Oh, Barbie is back in the action. A touch and go from that green and orange team. Oh, we have an upset. Oh, and the black cluster is down, and Barbie is down. Is there any drone still flying? I'm not sure, folks. We might have seen this exciting conclusion. Unless... Oh, back up in the air! Folks, I promised you mayhem, and I delivered. They're still flying, folks. After all the slashing and bashing is done, we still have drones in the air. Oh, it appears Barbie is trying a new dance move. Barbie seems to be kicking up her heels. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh, whoa! This is amazing. I still have pilots trying to right their drones and get back in the action. These guys do not give up. Whoa! Do I have any flyers flying still? Who's up in the air? Whose team is that still flying? Barbie is still up. Look at that. The micro mini is back in the air. Those little mini quads really can take the hits. Oh, and the detail. Oh, that was a complete loss of aerobatic action. Oh, no, there, we're back in the action. I believe that is the new Super Sloth flying from Team Flying Sloths. I don't recognize that green and orange rotor, but that guy has been in the air longer than anyone else. Oh my gosh. Oh man. The crowd goes wild. Oh, the big black cluster is still in the air. It's got the biggest wingspan and it's coming down hard. Whoa. All right, if the big black cluster can get rid of that annoying little hummingbird, we might see the end of this fight. Oh, and those two are down. It looks like the flying sloth versus the hummingbird. All right, as our pilots are trying to get back into the ring, there are still only 2 UAVs flying. I believe the Flying Sloth is piloted by Kevin from the Flying Sloths, and the Micro Mini is, we appear to have the Guru back in the fight. The orange Guru, orange and black. Oh my gosh, look at that, taken out by a Micro Mini.